In this ArtisanEnglish.jp lesson, we'll discuss Technosolutionism. There's always a new development around the corner touted to solve all our problems. That's Technosolutionism.
The introduction of ChatGPT today is an example of Technosolutionism in action. While the technology behind ChatGPT is impressive and has many potential benefits, it is essential to remember that it is not a panacea for all our problems. Humans have a history of believing technology will replace workers and create a utopia where we will have time and resources to do whatever we want. Technosolutionism can be dangerous because it can lead us to overlook the nuances and complexities of human experience.
Thanks for your attention today. To enjoy communicating about topics like this one, Technosolutionism, and to receive helpful, relevant feedback, please try this lesson or any other of the hundreds available at ArtisanEnglish.jp. Meet you online.